find mod x plus 3. Mod x plus 2, sorry. Mod x plus 2 is equal to x plus 2 whenever x is greater than equal to minus 2, and this is equal to minus times of x plus 2 whenever x is less than minus 2. This is the most important point. We are talking about less than minus 2. So we have to take the second equation. So what happens? Left hand limit x tending to minus 2 minus. We write a e to the power minus times by x plus 2 minus 1 divided by 2 minus e to the power minus 1 by x plus 2. So, a very important point. Next step, what we do is the same thing can be written as limit x tending to minus 2 minus. We write a minus e to the power 1 by x plus 2 divided by what we write it is 2 into e to the power 1 by x plus 2 minus 1. Why we took in this case is as x plus 2 is tending. I'll explain you in this case. So what is happening here is mod of x plus 2 is equal to minus times of x plus 2 whenever x is less than minus 2. X is less than equal to minus 2. So we are approaching from the left. Whenever we are approaching from the left, so what is happening? This one is limit h tending to 0. This will becomes a minus e to the power minus 1 by h, and this becomes a to the power, and this becomes 2 e to the power minus 1 by h minus 1. Now, as h tending to 0, 1 by h is tending to infinite, minus 1 by h is tending to minus infinity. So, what ultimately we get? A by minus 1, because e to the power minus 1 by h will tend to 0. This is equal to left hand limit. So, left hand limit we got it as minus a. Now, observe the right hand limit. So, right hand limit is limit x tending to minus 2 plus. Minus 2 plus they have given as sin x to the power 4 minus 16 sin x to the power 4 minus 16 by x to the power 5 plus 32. Simple problem of factors. So limit x tending to minus 2 plus, this becomes the factors is nothing but x minus 2 into x plus 2 into x square plus 4. And denominator factors will be similarly x plus 2, very easy to remember, x to the power 4 minus 2x cube plus 4x square minus 8x plus 16. These will be the factors. So when we cancel x plus 2 will cancel. We substitute x tending to minus 2 plus h. So finally we get sine of minus 2 by 5, which is can be written as minus sine 2 by 5. So what we get the value of a? Left hand limit must be equal to right hand limit. So left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. So minus a is equal to minus sine 2 by 5. This implies a equal to sine 2 by 5. A equal to sine 2 by 5. So what we have to find it out? We have to find a comma b. What is b? Value the function. B is, so what will the value of the function? This is equal to b, value the function. So therefore, so b is equal to minus sine 2 by 5 and a equal to sine 2 by 5. In this particular problem, only factors is very, very important. Because x to the power 4 minus 16 is x minus 2 into x plus 2 into x square plus 4. x to the power 5 plus 32 factors is x plus 2, x to the power 4, powers of x will decrease and powers of 2 will increase and plus or minus sign. When we substitute x equal to minus 2, we get sine of minus 2 by 5, which is equal to minus sine 2 by 5, which is equal to value the function. Left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to value the function. I'll write clearly when function is continuous, when left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to value of function. So therefore, we got a comma b as sine 2 by 5 comma minus sine 2 by 5.